Hello and welcome back to the 36. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG image to a PNG image in Preview. Alright, so we have our JPEG image and it's just the YouTube logo. So what you're going to do is the first thing is you're going to click right here on Show Markup Toolbar. And so once you do that, you're going to get all these different editing options. And so what we're going to focus on is right here in the top left corner. We're going to click, these are all the options for selecting. So as you can see, say like an elliptical selection. It allows you to basically select something, and then you can crop, which would basically be to delete out the part that you selected. So one of the easiest, especially when we have something like this where it is red meeting white, we're going to choose Smart Lasso. And what that'll do is we're just going to click and drag like such, and it'll try to determine the borders for us. So then if we were to hit delete, you could delete that portion, and it's going to ask you convert this document to PNG, and if that's what you want to do, you're going to say convert, and that basically took out that part. And if we're going to upload this to a project as an image or to a video, this part would be in the bottom left would be blank. Now another way that you can use Smart Lasso is by clicking this right here, Instant Alpha. And now when you click and drag, it's gonna do even more for you, trying to decide what you want to be highlighted. You can delete that as well. Alright, so that's just a quick overview of how to convert a JPEG image to PNG in Preview. If you'd like the tutorial, I encourage you to subscribe for more.